You see those persistent big, open pores on your face, the ones that show through no matter how much makeup you use, making your skin look rough, uneven, and older than it really is. Well, there's a simple, natural, and cost-free remedy you can make right at home, and all it takes is just 2 ingredients and a little consistency. But here's the twist. There's also one tiny step that most people skip, and if you miss it, your skin could actually end up cracking, burning, or looking worse. Stay with me, because in this video I'll not only show you how to shrink those large pores using aloe vera ice cubes, but I'll also reveal the safe way to do it, step by step. Hello friends, welcome back to Essential Cures. Now, before we jump into the recipe, let me quickly explain why this works. Large pores are usually caused by excess oil, dirt buildup, and loss of skin elasticity. Ice helps tighten the skin instantly by constricting the pores, while aloe vera and rose water deeply nourish, hydrate, and repair the skin barrier. Together, they don't just hide the pores temporarily, they actually help your skin heal and look smoother over time. What you'll need: 1 large fresh aloe vera leaf, or about half a cup of 120 milliliters fresh aloe gel. Rose water, a quarter cup 60 milliliters, food grade or cosmetic. Clean knife, spoon, blender or whisk. Sterile ice cube tray, standard 12 cube. Clean cloth or thin muslin for wrapping cubes. Clean jar or bowl, paper towels. Why this works? Cold temporarily tightens skin and narrows pores, vasoconstriction, so they look smaller right away. Aloe vera hydrates, reduces inflammation, and helps skin heal and plump. That smooths texture and reduces the visible size of pores over time. Rose water is a gentle astringent and soothing toner. It helps balance oil, calm redness, and add a light tightening effect. Together, immediate tightening from cold plus long-term texture help from aloe plus calming or astringent effect from rose water. Safety first. Do a patch test. Rub a tiny drop of the mix behind your ear or on your inner forearm. Wait 24 hours. If you feel burning, itch, or irritation, don't use it. Also remove the yellow sap, that's aloe. When you open the aloe leaf, it can irritate skin. If you have rosacea, very sensitive skin, or active severe acne, ask a dermatologist before trying. How to prepare aloe vera plus rose water ice cubes, step by step. Batch recipe, standard 12 cube tray. Half a cup fresh aloe gel, almost equals 120 ml, plus a quarter cup rose water, almost equals 60 ml, makes 12 cubes. Steps. 1. Choose a mature leaf. Cut it close to the base. Wash the outside to remove dirt. 2. Drain the yellow sap, important. Stand the cut leaf upright in a cup for 10 minutes so the yellow latex, aloe, drips out. This reduces irritation risk. Wipe off. 3. Remove rind and scoop gel. Slice off both edges. Cut the green top away, then scoop the clear gel with a spoon. Rinse the gel pieces briefly if you see any yellow traces. Pat dry with paper towel. 4. Blend or whisk the gel until smooth, 10 to 20 seconds. No big chunks. We want a silky mix so the cubes freeze evenly. 5. Measure and mix. In a clean bowl, mix 120 milliliters aloe gel plus 60 milliliters rose water. Stir until uniform. If you want a thinner cube, add a little more rose water, but keep it mostly aloe so the cube is soothing. 6. Pour into tray. Use a sterile tray, pour gently. 7. Freeze. Place flat in freezer for 4 to 6 hours or overnight. 8. Store. Pop cubes into a clean zip bag or covered container and label date. Use within 3 months for best freshness. How to use the ice cubes. 1. Cleanse your face with a gentle cleanser and pat dry. 2. Wrap the cube in a thin cloth or muslin. Don't press frozen cube directly hard on skin for long. This prevents cold damage. 3. Glide gently. Move the cube over the area with large pores, nose, cheeks, T-zone, in short strokes, 10 to 20 seconds per area, 2 to 3 passes. Don't hold the cube in one place for more than a few seconds. 4. Total time, 1 to 2 minutes for full face. 30 to 90 seconds for a targeted area. 5. Finish. Let skin air for a minute, then apply a light moisturizer to lock hydration. Always follow with sunscreen during the day. 6. Frequency. Start 3 times a week and increase to daily if your skin tolerates it. If you feel numbness, extreme redness, or pain, stop and wait 24 hours. What to expect? Timeline. Be realistic. Immediate. Skin feels tighter and pores look smaller because of the cold constriction. Redness should calm. 2 to 6 weeks. With consistent use plus good cleansing and weekly gentle exfoliation, pores may appear smaller as skin texture improves and oil production balances. Important: genetics, age, and oiliness determine how much permanent change you'll see. This is best used as part of a routine: cleanse, exfoliate 1 or 2 times a week, treat, protect. Tips and synergy: easy, practical. Use gentle exfoliation once or twice weekly to keep pores clear. Enzyme or lactic acid for sensitive skin. Avoid overscrubbing. Use the ice cubes after exfoliation on exfoliation days. The cooling helps calm the skin. If you use actives like retinol or acids, avoid using the cube immediately after a strong treatment. Instead, use it the next day to soothe. Always wear broad-spectrum SPF daily. Sun damage makes pores and texture worse. Keep your hands and tools clean to avoid contaminating the aloe gel before freezing. Yellow sap dripping from cut leaf, brief, dramatic. Remove this. Scooping gel, blending, pouring into tray. Wrap cube in cloth, glide over cheek, and don't apply for greater than 2 minutes straight. 3 benefits: tighten, calm, hydrate. This is the secret step. You must drain that yellow sap. Skip it and your skin could rebel. 1 cube, 60 seconds, and you'll feel the pores tighten. Want long-term change? Use this with good cleansing and exfoliation. If it burns, stop. Patch test first. Try it for 2 weeks and take a no-makeup photo in the same light each time. You'll notice the difference. If you want, comment below after you try it and tell me your results. If you like this walkthrough, hit like, subscribe, and I'll bring more simple skin remedies you can trust. Final safety reminder: this is a home remedy. It can improve how pores look, but it's not a medical cure. If you have severe acne, persistent inflammation, or broken capillaries, please see a dermatologist before trying cold or new topical treatments.